In today's video, we're diving into nutrition and exploring the benefits of incorporating fiber-rich veggies and vitamin-packed fruits into your diet. These nutrient-dense foods taste delicious and play a crucial role in promoting overall health and well-being. So grab a seat and get ready to discover the incredible power of nature's bounty. Eating a variety of vegetables high in fiber and fruits full of vitamins and antioxidants is essential for maintaining a balanced and healthy diet. Fiber is known for its digestive benefits, helping to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. On the other hand, vitamins and antioxidants found in fruits are essential for boosting the immune system, protecting cells from damage, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily meals, you can experience many health benefits, from improved digestion and weight management to enhanced energy levels and glowing skin. The impact of a diet rich in veggies and fruits is genuinely remarkable. These foods' vibrant colors and flavors make eating healthy a delightful and satisfying experience. Throughout this video, we'll explore some of the top veggies high in fiber and fruits full of vitamins and antioxidants. We'll delve into their nutritional profiles, health benefits, and creative ways to incorporate them into your meals. Whether you're a seasoned health enthusiast or just starting your journey toward a healthier lifestyle, there's something for everyone to learn and enjoy. So get ready to be inspired and motivated to change your diet positively. Let's embark on this exciting journey together as we uncover the secrets of nature's superfoods and how they can transform your health and well-being. Stay tuned for a fun and informative exploration of the fantastic world of fiber-rich veggies and vitamin-packed fruits. Your body will thank you for it. The power of fiber. Veggies high in fiber. Fiber-rich vegetables nourish our bodies and support various bodily functions to promote optimal health and well-being. In this segment, we'll explore some of the top veggies high in fiber and delve into their impressive health benefits. From broccoli to Brussels sprouts and artichokes, these fiber-packed veggies are delicious and offer many advantages for your overall health. Broccoli is a superstar in fiber-rich vegetables, known for its high fiber content and numerous health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, broccoli supports digestion, boosts immunity, and may even help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Its crunchy texture and versatile nature make it a popular choice for salads, stir-fries, and soups, providing a delicious way to increase your fiber intake. Brussels sprouts are another fiber-rich vegetable that deserves a spot on your plate. These mini cabbages are fiber-rich and loaded with essential nutrients like vitamin C, K, and antioxidants. Brussels sprouts support digestive health, aid in weight management, and contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Roasting or sautéing Brussels sprouts with garlic and olive oil can elevate their flavor and make them a tasty addition to any meal. Artichokes are a unique and fiber-rich vegetable that offers a range of health benefits. Known for their distinctive taste and meaty texture, artichokes are a reliable source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They support digestive health by promoting gut motility and aiding in the absorption of nutrients. Artichokes can be steamed, grilled, or roasted and enjoyed with a flavorful dipping sauce for a satisfying and nutritious meal. Fiber is crucial in digestion, weight management, and heart health. It helps regulate bowel movements, promotes satiety, and controls blood sugar levels. By incorporating fiber-rich veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and artichokes into your daily meals, you can support a healthy digestive system, maintain a healthy weight, and reduce the risk of heart disease. To incorporate fiber-rich veggies into your daily meals, try adding them to salads, soups, stir-fries, or smoothies. You can roast, grill, or steam them as a side dish or main course. Experiment with different cooking methods and flavor combinations to discover new and exciting ways to enjoy these nutrient-packed vegetables. Making fiber-rich veggies a staple in your diet will boost your fiber intake and reap the incredible health benefits they offer. Vitamins and antioxidants galore. Fruits full of nutrients. In this segment, we're diving into the colorful world of fruits bursting with essential vitamins and antioxidants. From berries to oranges and kiwi, these nutrient-rich fruits not only tantalize your taste buds, but also provide health benefits. Let's explore the wonders of these fruits and their impact on your overall well-being. Berries are among the top contenders for fruits rich in essential vitamins and antioxidants. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, these tiny fruits pack a punch in terms of nutrition. Berries are loaded with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants like anthocyanins, which help fight inflammation, boost brain health, and support heart health. Adding a handful of berries to your morning oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie can elevate your meal's flavor and nutritional value. Oranges are well known for their high vitamin C content and antioxidant properties. This citrus fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients that support immune function, collagen production, and skin health. Oranges are also rich in fiber, potassium, and folate, making them a versatile and refreshing addition to your diet. Enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, add orange slices to salads, or snack in segments for a burst of vitamin C throughout the day. Kiwi is a tropical fruit that is delicious and packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C and K and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, supporting eye health and immune function. The fuzzy brown skin of kiwi is edible and adds a unique texture to salads, smoothies, or fruit bowls. Slice kiwi into yogurt, blend it into a green smoothie, or enjoy it on its own for a sweet and tangy treat. Antioxidants are vital in fighting free radicals and unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and disease. By consuming fruits rich in antioxidants like berries, oranges, and kiwi, you can help protect your body from oxidative stress and support overall health. Antioxidants also play a crucial role in boosting immune function, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy aging. To enjoy these vitamin-packed fruits, consider incorporating them into smoothies, salads, or snacks. Blend berries with spinach and almond milk for a nutrient-rich smoothie. Toss orange segments into a quinoa salad for a citrus flavor. Or slice kiwi onto a fruit skewer for a refreshing snack. Get creative with your fruit combinations and explore diverse ways to savor the vitamins and antioxidants these fruits offer. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Incorporating healthy choices into your diet. Making healthy food choices doesn't have to be complicated or tedious. By incorporating fiber-rich veggies and nutrient-packed fruits into your daily meals, you can nourish your body with essential nutrients and enjoy a variety of delicious flavors. In this section, we'll provide practical tips on seamlessly integrating these healthy ingredients into your diet, making healthy eating a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle. Meal planning is a crucial strategy for incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your daily meals. Start by creating a weekly meal plan with a rainbow of fruits and veggies to ensure you get a diverse range of nutrients. Consider batch prepping ingredients like chopped veggies, washed fruits, and homemade dressings to streamline meal preparation throughout the week. Having a well-stocked fridge and pantry with various fresh produce makes it easier to make healthy choices when hunger strikes. Regarding recipe ideas, the possibilities for incorporating fiber-rich veggies and nutrient-packed fruits are endless. Try whipping up a colorful stir-fry with bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas, and tofu for a quick and easy meal. Roasting a medley of root vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and parsnips with herbs and olive oil can create a flavorful side dish that complements any main course. Blend frozen berries, spinach, banana, and almond milk for a refreshing and satisfying snack into a nutrient-packed smoothie. Balancing and practicing moderation are essential to creating a sustainable, healthy eating pattern. While it's crucial to prioritize nutrient-dense foods, like fruits and vegetables, it's also okay to enjoy treats in moderation. Allow yourself the flexibility to indulge in your favorite foods occasionally, while maintaining a foundation of whole, unprocessed foods. Remember that healthy eating is not about perfection, but about making consistent, mindful choices that support your overall well-being. Whether you're meal planning, trying new recipes, or practicing balance and moderation, making healthy choices can be both delicious and rewarding. Embrace the colorful and flavorful world of fruits and vegetables, and let your meals celebrate nourishment and vitality. Your body will thank you for it. By incorporating a colorful array of fruits and vegetables into your daily meals, you can nourish your body from the inside out and reap many health benefits. Consuming fiber-rich veggies like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and artichokes, along with fruits high in vitamins and antioxidants such as berries, oranges, and kiwi, provides a wealth of benefits for your overall health. By making them a regular part of your diet, you can fuel your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. We encourage you to step out of your culinary comfort zone and experiment with new recipes and food combinations to enhance your diet. Don't be afraid to get adventurous in the kitchen and discover the endless possibilities of fruits and vegetables. To promote long-term health and well-being, it is essential to make informed choices and prioritize nutrient-dense foods in your diet. By choosing whole unprocessed foods and minimizing the intake of sugary processed snacks, you can fuel your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Remember that small, consistent changes over time can significantly improve your health and vitality. So, take the knowledge and inspiration gained from this video and put it into action. Start incorporating more fiber-rich veggies and fruits high in vitamins and antioxidants into your meals. Experiment with new flavors and recipes, and make informed choices that support your long-term health goals. Your body is a temple, nourish it with the goodness of nature's bounty, and watch yourself flourish. Here's to a healthier, happier you.